Introducing the 2023 Nissan ARIYA Premiere with e-Force all-wheel drive, the all-electric SUV that redefines luxury and performance. This vehicle isn't just about looks, it's engineered to impress at every turn. Its stunning exterior featuring bold lines and an aerodynamic silhouette ensures you'll make a statement wherever you go. And illuminate your path with the ARIYA's striking LED headlights, providing unparalleled visibility and adding a touch of modern sophistication to its appearance. Inside, you'll find beautiful leather seats in a sophisticated gray color, providing an atmosphere of redefined comfort. Enjoy the convenience of power seats, allowing you to find the perfect driving position with ease. This ARIYA comes equipped with state-of-the-art heads-up display, ensuring you stay informed without taking your eyes off the road, while the around-view cameras provide a 360 perspective, making parking and maneuvering a breeze. One piece of unique technology is the smart rearview mirror, which offers a clear, unobstructed view of what's behind you. Experience ultimate comfort with heated and cooled seats, perfect for any weather condition. This ARIYA is packed with advanced technology features, and from its intuitive infotainment system to seamless smartphone integration, it keeps you connected wherever you go. Rear passengers aren't left out. They can enjoy the luxury of rear-heated seats, making every ride cozy and comfortable. Plus, its spacious trunk and power liftgate make loading and unloading effortless, giving you ample space for all your adventures. 2023 Nissan ARIYA Premiere. Drive into the future today.